Where they run they go? No, I really want to know where they run they go.
I don't want you lick me.
Come, sit down right there so me not lick you. You don't get lick already in a real life and you know see say a lick you get right now for 6. Lick them boy, lick you for 6. You see to me want this child. Me want that child here to come out easy when you go born. You're not going to feel no pain.
I'm no baby.
Me not ready for no Grand Pickeny. And you never know say you don't want no baby. Well, for your baby skin pretty, you have to drink this.
That.
Something to make your baby skin pretty.
I
Drink.
want the baby skin pretty.
What you want it for the ugly?
No, I don't want
And fussy,
the
fussy.
baby.
Alright, drink this. Don't worry yourself. Just drink some of this, make you feel a little better because you have vomit. So the doctor said it vomit.
Mommy, that smell bad.
Hello? Yes, when they send you home after me talk to the doctor, a pharmacy may go fill the prescription. So you see whatever the doctor prescribes say you have to do, you have to do it. So you have to drink this before you eat. This is before meal. Drink it. A pharmacy may come from. So make sure you drink off the whole of it. Like a one good girl. Drinky is a very good girl. Drinky. Yeah, maybe get one nice Grand Pickeny. Drinky! Drinky, man. Good girl. Next time you close your damn foot. Close your legs. Yes. Drinky, tastes good. Yeah, drinky. Vitamin C for your body. It will make your nose straight. Drink it. It's good for you. You will stop vomit. You say the vomit up your place. Hello. Drinky, you're not making your body hear me over here.